guys, this is the paper 2023 specimen paper from the examination 2023 year. That means it is from the next year. So it's a specimen paper, and here we have a paper 3, and in this we have two topics as usual. We have one is spreadsheet and other one is web authoring. So at present we are doing web authoring in this, and the exam is of 2 hours 15 minutes. Okay, this is a new pattern from next year onwards, so you have to be serious in going through this video and learning the pattern. Here let's start. This is all about evidence document task 1, and this one, all the time they just tell you to collect the files in the folder, and we have the files already in our folder. Okay, so here we are going for evidence document is the one we have to create. Okay, we have to create, just to take a word processor document and just give your name and all the details in the header of that 3-column blank. Then you have to save the document with a file name. Here is the one. Here I prepared the document by giving my details in the header and save the document with this name, spec evidence, and your candidate number. Okay, so this we will use for screenshots and evidences. Now let's get back to the question. This is done, the first one. Task 2, web page. A trainee has started to create a web page and style sheet for Tavara digital storage. Okay, a trainee is preparing the web page and style sheet. These must be suitable for uploading to a web server. Fine. Okay, he is gonna upload it, but he's a trainee. Let's see what's gonna be there for us. Step 1, create new folder called spec HTML. Okay, we are gonna create the folder. Fine. So here come to the folder. Here is the one. Here, where is that? This one I created. Just how to create this folder: right click, go to new and folder. Fine, and you can rename to spec HTML. And we are going to get all the files, these 4 files, into that folder. Just open this. We're going to do that again. Okay, fine. Okay, these are the 4 files, and here is the these are the dimensions and all. Since I created this, it's all existing. I'll just delete all these. Okay, now it's fresh totally. Okay, these are the 4 files we added in the folder. Now open the file, spec this in a suitable application, reflect the image horizontally, save this image as this one in your spec HTML folder. Okay, just open your folder. Here is the one. This one they are telling us to open. Just right click and open with Microsoft Office Picture Manager. Okay, see, this is the one. Oh, can you see that the writing, it's like totally upside down. Okay, go to edit picture. What we are supposed to do, we are gonna see there, sorry, see there, we're going to reflect the image horizontally. Where is that? See, rotate and flip. Okay, rotate and flip, and rotate to horizontally flipping. See here, both of them are there. Flip horizontal. Yeah, we have to get like this. Yes, exactly. And we are going to save this as this one. Okay, let me just open this one. I'm going to save file, save as, disk 1, no, just disk 1, and make sure you are saving in the same folder. Okay, see that. Okay, now this is done. What else we have to do? This stuff is done. Rotate the image this 90 degrees clockwise. Clockwise in the sense from left to right, right? The needles move from left to right. Save this image as a disk2 in your folder. Okay, let's see that. This is one, and here see the same, rotate and flip, and rotate right. Yeah, this is one. Clockwise. See, look at that. Clockwise, it's the needle no, always goes towards the right. So, and click this. Yes, and by 90, it's written over there. Can you see that? Yes, done. Yeah, this is the way they want it. Now, we're going to save this. We're going to save this as disk2. Now, go to File, Save As. Here, disk2. Okay, this is done. Now, what else? Let me go further. Okay, this is also done. Crop the image disk2 so that all the solid state drive is visible with an equal amount of red background on each side. This image must be square. Yeah, we have to be sure of this. Yes, because further we're going to edit that to this. Okay, that time due to aspect ratio it can go upside down, like changes automatically changes, right, the sizes. So keep it square. Okay, as much as possible, keep it square. Do not distort the image. The hard disk drive must not be visible. Okay, we are going to crop it. Save this image as disk3 in the folder. Okay, let's come over here. Now I'm going to crop this. Let me just go back here. Now I have to click on crop. Okay, so how much I'm going to crop? Just look at the measurement, how it's changing my measurements. Down one, you see there, down one, almost keep that. See, look at that, this one, new one, almost keep it equal, means because we have to make it square, right? Okay, now let's me try better. 301, sees it, look at that. 2301, 2301, exactly. Okay, I'm gonna just say okay here. Perfect. Now this will be this 3. Okay, go to File, Save As, disk3. Okay, done. Now what's next? Resize the image disk3 to become 600 into 600 pixels. This image, save this image as spec SSD in your folder. Okay, now further of how much editing of this. Now what I have to do? I have to change this, right? For that means 600 into 600 pixels I have to make. For that, just go back and here click resize. Click resize and custom. Okay, now see the new size over here. I'll change this to 600 and 600. Look at that, down, new size 600 into 600 pixels. Perfect. Okay, done. Now I'm going to save this. I'm going to save this spec SSD. Okay, save. Okay, done. All kind of editing of that image done. Now let's come to display the contents of your spec folder, showing the folder name, image dimensions, all file names, extensions, and the file type sizes. That means 5 details we have to show. Folder name anyway we show, image dimensions is a new one, and file names are anyway there. file extensions and file sizes. So 3. Let me see what I have already. The size I have, okay, only the size, names of the files, and the folder name. So 3 I have already. Now what else? Folder name, image dimensions I don't have, names I have, file extensions I don't have, so sizes I have. So let's just go here and just right click on this line. See there where the top the column headings, like it's there. Dimensions, you have to select 1. Now after this, file extensions, you can right click there, go to more, and go down to file F. Missed out. File extensions, just check that. Okay, done. Now these are the details they want. Let's take a screenshot of this. I will take the light shot. Sorry, I'll take light shot over here. Okay, okay, now press print screen button and just crop this. Copy, come to the evidence, and this is evidence 1. Paste it. Okay, this is 1. Save it. Let's get back to the question. Done. The style sheet is not finished and contains a number of errors. You are going to edit the style sheet. Make sure that you use the most efficient methods. Yes, we are using here which software? We are going to use the Microsoft FRONTPAGE. FRONTPAGE we are going to use. Even I'm going to do that using Expression Web as well. Okay, next, all color codes must be in hexadecimal. Heading styles H4, H5, and H6 do not need defining. Okay, fine. Others they will tell us to define, I guess. Here, see, 1, 2, 3. H1, H2, and H3. They will tell us to define that. We're going to do that. Make sure that your style sheet contains no HTML. Okay, so this we're going to do from step 3. Open the style sheet, spec style. The specifications for the style are, all these we're going to edit now in that CSS file. I'm going to open that CSS file through FRONTPAGE. Okay, this is the one. Go to design. Now open. Which one I'm going to open? I have to go to my folder. Just first you can go to your folder. Yeah, here, not this. Sorry. Specimen copyright. Yeah, this is a file we opened. Okay, now this is the one that trainee created, so it's totally messed up. What we'll do, just we will delete that everything, and from the beginning we will do it. Okay, I deleted all what trainee did. Now let me go to the question paper. All borders and grid lines are visible. Okay, that is noted. Of the table. Okay, table size and borders, 90% of the width of the browser window, not collapsed. The table they're talking about. Okay, not borders not collapsed, width and all. Okay, what we'll do, we're going to set of table borders. Okay, and the color this, and table data is of TD. Okay, separately we will do of that until here. Now first let us do for the table, and here 90% of the width of the browser window, and they are visible as well, so that they are, since they are visible, we can set all the solid and all 2 pixels and all colors. Okay, now let's first of all let's go for table tag to define. Okay, first let me do this one. After that I will mention this manually. Okay, now let's come over here, format style. Now just select table. Where is the table? This is a table, and I'm going for the borders, so just click borders. Here box is nothing but solid over here. Can you see there, solid? And yeah, this is done with with those 2 pixels and not collapsed. Collapsed means in the sense we have to use separate. Okay, it's not collapsed in the sense they are border collapse is separate, the values separate. Okay, then that we will do manually, and size also will do manually too. Now here I'm doing the borders. Now 2 pixels, and the color as well we're gonna set here. Where is mine? Here color, go to more colors and select any one, and what is that? 80 80 0 0 80. Oh, Colibris 80 80, then comes 0 0. Okay, this is the color combination. See, okay, then with this 2, and remove this all padding. Okay, no padding at all, just keep it 0. Keep it 0, sorry. Okay, see, okay, okay, and okay. Here we got this much. We're going to add further. Fine. What all stuff we, oh, color is there, sorry, color, let's go back to that. A color we set. What else there? Let me see. Once the question paper, I set 2 pixels solid border. 3 I set. Did I get that? Oh yeah, I got. Now I'm gonna go for border. Okay, and the size, that is nothing but actually the width. Yeah, the width. Now let me just solve that. Here I can go for border, right? Border collapse hyphen this collapse, 2 dots separate. Okay, semicolon. Now I'm gonna have what else? The width width is 90%. Okay, 90% like this. Okay, done. All done of table. Now let's go for the next tag. Yeah, we are gonna keep this all borders and all. Now table data, that is of TD tag. Cell padding. Here see, top 8 pixels, left right 20, and bottom 6. Borders of all this. Okay, let's do this one now. Okay, now here I have to open format style and open here HTML tags, and here it is TD. Okay, now in this, go to the border box. Now the color, what's the color? Color is same, just like before. Okay, 80 0 0. This is done, and with this 2, and here left right is 20 pixels, I guess 20. Right is also 20. Then top is 8, I guess. Top is 8, and bottom is 6. top is 8 and bottom is 6. Okay, now anything more? 2 pixels. Yeah, everything we said. Everything done. Okay. Okay, here is the second tag we got. Now let's go for the third one. What's the third one? Third one, here TD is over fully. All heading styles means H1, H2, H3. They in the beginning they said H4 to H6, no need of defining. Okay, so that means those first three. Blue as the color component they gave, and also the font they gave, but separately their size is different. These are common for that. So what we'll do, we'll take H1, okay, and we will add separate their sizes. Then I will add the color component and the font. Okay, let's do that. Also separately also we can do it. Like for all these three, you can put a common one, and H1, H2, H3, you can just use the font size like that, right? So which one will go for? Okay, let's go for like this. Let me set all this in common, then we'll go for separately of this. Okay, fine. Now what all I have to go for? Come down. H1, H2, H3, this three, right? Okay, now first the color. Okay, what is the color we call it? Just color it is. Okay, like this we can set. See, you should know even to set through code. Okay, till now we selected. See the format. See the format of the color. Yes. Here also see we have the color. Yes. And what is the color? First we have to take one hashtag. Then you have to mention that. Where's that? 00FFFF. Okay, so let's type in the same. Copy the same. See the order. RGB, right? See the order RGB. But here what is given? What is given? Blue, red, green is given. RGB. So FF00. Okay, fine. FF00. Okay, this is done. And what else? Font family. Font family. Times New Roman. Times New Roman inside the quotes. Times New Roman inside the quotes. And if this is not available, they say right times, just times, rest all just to take without quotes, times. And if this is not, then serif, just serif. Okay, give a semicolon and close the tag. Fine, this is done. Now what else? Let's go and check the question paper. This is done. Now separately for H1, H2 and H3. Okay, that is 48 points and the alignment is right. Now I'll go for H1, go to the format style. Directly you can take as well. Yes. Here HTML tags separately. One, modify, format, font. So in this size, font size is how much it is? 48 pt points. And alignment, okay, say okay there, and come down here. Paragraph alignment is right. Alignment is right. Text alignment is right. Okay. 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 Done. This is done. Now let me take second heading as well. Format, style. Here HTML tags, H2, and here font. How many pixels? Points now. The points are 24 pt. Done. Anything more of this? That's it. Okay. 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 This is done. Now the last one is H3. Go to format, style, HTML tags, and H3 here. Just font only we have to set. Okay, here font is how much? Font is 18 points. That's it. Okay, 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 okay. We got yes. Of now, what else we have in the question paper? A class called cyan color. Oh, we are defining cyan color ourselves. Okay, let's see that. How to define any class? We start with a dot. Okay, dot and the name of the color, and it's a color code. That's it. Now let's do that. Dot. Where is the dot? Okay, dot cyan. Now come to the specification of it. Oh, sorry. Now what is the color code? Just type in the color, and code is hashtag then 00FFFF. Close the tag. Over. Okay, this is the end of our CSS editing, and let's see what's more. Correct and complete the style sheet. Place your center number, your name, serial number, candidate number as a comment at the end of the style sheet. So we are going to use the comments. Where is the comment? How to mention the comments? Slash star. Then just type in your details, center, and candidate number. Okay, done. Just save once. Control S or press on the save button. Yes, we saved it. Oh, we are going to save with another name. Okay, okay. With a file name followed by your candidate number. For example, this. Okay, we are going to add our candidate number as well. Okay, here file save as, and make sure you are saving in the folder spec style and then candidate number. Okay, this is done. Take a screenshot showing the contents of your style sheet, and also you have to paste it in the now what is the evidence number? Okay, let's see as we open evidence file. Okay, here is the one we're gonna, can you see my name over there? Okay, now let's press print screen button there, and let's just crop clearly and copy. Come to the evidence. Okay, this evidence is 2. Okay, so this is done. Save. Okay, this whole thing is done. Now this is the end of the part 1. In the next session we're going to next part we're going to start from question number 4.